So we've been looking at tangent theorems. Probably the most famous of all the tangent theorems is the alternate segment theorem, sometimes known as the Windsurfer Theorem. You ever heard it called as the Windsurfer Theorem? I'll explain why. So there's the formal theorem. So you've got an angle formed by a tangent to a circle with a chord, and it's equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So let's draw a picture up. So when you draw a tangent and you've got a chord, now a chord breaks the circle into two segments. And so what we're saying is the angle between the chord and the tangent is equal to the angle in the other, or the alternate, segment. So you're looking for a triangle that's concyclic and a tangent. As I say, some people call it the Windsurfer Theorem because there's the board and then they think of the triangle as the sail. But whatever you do for your reasoning, don't write down Windsurfer Theorem. Trust me, I've seen it. Okay, it is okay just to write alternate segment theorem. Okay, because there is only one alternate segment theorem, so it can't be confused with any other theorem. Let's prove it. So I'm going to prove APY would be equal to the angle in the alternate segment, which would be ABP. So in order to do this, I'm going to construct some lines. I'm going to draw in a diameter, which also goes through the point P. I'll call the other side there Z. And then I'll join A and Z up as well. Alright, so what do we know? Well, because I've made that a diameter, we know ZPY will be 90 degrees because a radius is perpendicular to the tangent. I also know then that APZ, so APZ will be 90 minus APY. So PAZ, where's PAZ? Well, that's now the angle in a semicircle. Remember I said I drew it so that PZ was a diameter. The three angles in triangle APZ must add up to 180. So if I substitute in, we said PAZ was 90. We said APZ was the same as 90 minus APY. I can rearrange that and I get AZP is equal to APY. They weren't the ones we were trying to prove. But I can also say that AZP is the same as ABP. They would be angles in the same segment. Therefore, APY is equal to ABP. That was the one I was trying to prove. So there's the proof of our alternate segment theorem. Right, so whenever you see it, tangent and then a triangle, look for that theorem. There's a good chance you're probably going to use it in there.